In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Hagley Park Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Hagley Park Prep and Bible knowledge. How many lepers did Jesus heal when only one returned?
10.
That is correct. Mona Heights, how many days was Lazarus dead before Jesus came to visit?
4 days.
4 days.
That is correct. Hagley Park, international affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Don Webby.
It's Luiz Lula da Silva, the Brazilian president. We shift over to Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Nicolas Maduro.
Nicolas Maduro.
That is correct, the president of Venezuela. Science for Hagley Park. When you breathe in, what part of the body moves downward towards the abdomen?
The diaphragm. The diaphragm.
That is incorrect, it's the diaphragm. Mona Heights. The lungs and respiratory system allow oxygen in the air to be taken into the body while also letting the body get rid of which gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
That is correct. Television, it's a visual, Hagley Park. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Princess Peach. Princess Peach.
Princess Peach from Super Mario, that is correct. Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Blue.
Incorrect, it's Luma Lee from Super Mario. Hagley Park, English language. What part of speech is the word beautiful as used in this sentence? I bought a beautiful shirt at the store.
Adjective. Adjective.
That's right. Mona Heights. What part of speech is the word dance as used in the sentence, I went to the dance after work?
Noun. Noun.
That is correct. Hagley Park, it's a visual question for sports. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer.
Clive Lloyd.
Clive Lloyd.
That is correct. Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer.
Andy Roberts.
Andy Roberts.
That is correct. General knowledge for Hagley Park. What is the capital of Chile?
Santiago.
Santiago.
That is correct. Mona Heights. What is the capital of South Korea?
Seoul.
Seoul.
That is correct. Social studies for Hagley Park. What is Jamaica's final court for civil and criminal matters?
Court of
Justice.
Court of Justice.
Incorrect, it's the Privy Council. Mona Heights. Which of these is the highest court in Jamaica? The Parish Court, the Supreme Court, or the Court of Appeal?
Court of Appeal.
Court of Appeal.
That is correct. Music for Hagley Park. Which music group has the most #1 hits of all time?
The Jackson 5.
The Jackson 5s.
Incorrect, it's the Beatles. Mona Heights. What is the name of the #1 selling album of all time?
Thriller. Thriller.
By Michael Jackson, that is correct. Mathematics for Hagley Park. What is the highest common factor of 36 and 84?
12.
That's right. Mona Heights. What is the highest common factor of 72 and 90?
18.
18.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mona Heights Primary on 9 and Hagley Park Prep on 6. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Use different color pens and highlighters to help organize your notes. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.